To create a variable product, follow this along. A variable product in WooCommerce lets you offer a set of different options on a product with control over prices, stock, images, and much more. So for example, you can flick between different coloured t-shirts, you can change the sizes. To create a variable product in WooCommerce, the first thing you want to do is make sure you're logged into WordPress, and also make sure you have WooCommerce installed. And then on the side, go to Products, and then click on Add New Product. Give the product a name, give the product a product description. The product description is a longer description, and down at the bottom, give the product a short description. Once you've given the product a name and you've given a product description and a product short description, you can click on Save Draft to save your changes, and then up at the top you can click on Preview Product, and as you can see, there's the product name, there's the product short description, and there's the product description there. We can then return back into WordPress by going to the other tab, and then if you scroll down, you can start to add the product data in. So if you want to create a simple product, you can choose that, but we're going to create a variable product, so we'll choose variable product here. On this inventory tab, you can choose to enable stock management if you want and have a play about with the different settings. You can go to the shipping tab and you can add the product weight, dimensions. Go to the attributes tab and you can start to add different attributes in. So say for example, this t-shirt that we're selling here comes in grey and white, so we can start to add the different options in. So you can do that by clicking Add New here, and this option becomes available. So we're just going to add an option to put colour in, and then you can add the colour of the different t-shirts in here. So I'm just going to put grey and white, and you can separate them with the pipe, and then you can save the attribute, and then you can add another attribute by clicking Add New, and then you can give it a name. So we're just going to put sizes in, and we're going to put small, medium, and large in, and click on Save Attributes. You can then go to the Variations tab, and you can choose to generate variations automatically, or you can add them in manually. Once I click Generate Variations and choose OK, you'll see it's given all the different options based on the attributes that we added above for colour and sizes. And then by clicking in the Edit option here, you can go into each one and you can add an option. So if we click on, for example, this Upload an Image here, we can choose to upload a file, and we'll choose the grey t-shirt and add it in, and then click Set Variation Image, and then you can choose to add a price in. So we'll add a price in of $20. You could also add a sales price if you want. You can choose whether it's in stock, out of stock, and you can put a specific weight in. You can also add the different dimensions, and the same process follows for going through. So off camera, I'll basically go in and I'll add the different images. You do that too, so it's just following the process that we did here. Off camera, I've added in all the different product images. If you're looking for these, they're in the description, so you can add them in yourself. Before you make any changes, just click Save Changes here. And another thing you can do is use the bulk action. So say for example, you want to change the price and it's the same price across all the t-shirts. You can choose Set Regular Prices here, and I'll just enter 20, and it basically fires the value into all the different variations instead of having to go into each one and basically alter them. So as you can see, when you go in, you'll see the regular price is there, and you can use those actions for all types of things. If you want to show default values for these values, so say for example you wanted to show a grey t-shirt and large to be the default values when the product's shown, you can do that, and you can click Save Changes. Another thing you can do is set a product image. So we'll just choose this grey one here that we've uploaded previously. There's a link to it in the description. And then in the product gallery, for example, you can add this white one. Again, there's a link to that in the description. You can also add product categories. Product categories help group products into broad sections, making it easier for customers to browse. You can create main categories and subcategories for better organisation. So what you can do is you can click on add new category here, and you can put t-shirts, and you can choose parent category there and click add new category, and then you can add another category in, and you could put, for example, short sleeve t-shirts, and then you can choose t-shirts as the parent category. So if you choose add new category, you'll see under t-shirt there's a subcategory of short sleeve. You can also add in product tags. Product tags are flexible labels that describe products without a fixed structure. They help customers find similar items based on shared features. So if you wanted, you could say one of the t-shirts is grey, so you could add in grey as a product tag. You could also say they're made out of cotton and add that in as a tag, and it'll help customers find these products. Once you're happy with what you've put together, you can choose to publish the product by going up to the top and choosing publish. Here you can click on view product, and you can view the product in the store. So as you can see, as you choose a grey one or a white one, the picture changes, but you can also change between the different sizes.